My name is Andrew Thompson, and I work as an engineering technologist within the substation maintenance department. I'm from Cayman Islands, particularly Sports Newlands. I grew up racing into motorsports and whatnot. I carried that into my adult life. I still enjoy racing. Lately I've been cycling, and I intend to start racing bicycles this year. I actually started working CUC from the time I was 15 when I graduated from high school. I did internships, summer programs, and I worked right through like that until I went away to college to get my degree. I made a decision to go to school because I've always wanted to better myself. I wanted to set an example to my daughter to show her that whatever you want to do, you put your mind to it, you can fulfill that no matter what it might be. And obviously I want to go as far as I can within the company, and having a degree will definitely give me that ability to do so. I started off in England. I was at the University of West of England. At that time, my daughter was born and whatnot, so I kind of transferred over to Florida to be closer, being a new father, so I would be closer to her rather than so far away. I did a bachelor's degree, a 4-year degree in electronic engineering and technology. It was eye-opening in regards to a difference in culture and the difference of how people view growing up then and whatnot. Like when I got there, people that I was in school with there, they were all like kind of on their own, they say, from when they were young. So they were all kind of just in school trying to figure out what they were doing. But for me, I already knew what I wanted to do, where I wanted to go, and kind of like the goals I had set out. So it was a bit different in that sense. CUC gave me a partial scholarship, and as well my mother and my father helped me throughout college. Them giving me a scholarship in that regard showed me they had confidence in me, they had confidence in the work, and they showed me that there was a place for me at CUC. You know, when I came back, that I knew I'd have a job to continue working. They invested in me, so for me it was like, I'm going to invest myself back into the company to be able to give my all, do the best I can, and help achieve any goal that the company might have. Currently, right now, my department is working on a promotion for me. In my current department, I'm the only one with the degree that I have, so the structure was not there before as an engineering technologist. So they've been working on putting something in place for me to move through the different levels as I work through. So that's in play right now. And since I've been back, I've been certified in fiber optics. I've been certified in infrared thermography, as well as different aspects of my jobs like RTAC, real-time relays that I work with on a day-to-day basis. So they've got me certified in those areas, so I'm able to better apply myself to my specific duties. My department is small, it's only 4 of us. So my supervisor, I think he has the same degree as me. So to reach to his level is obviously a goal of mine, whether it's in that particular department or another department within CUC, just as long as I can give my best. My department is unique because we're involved with so much different aspects of what the company does. Fiber optics, line devices, the transformers, the substations, we're well rounded. It's only, like I said, 4 of us, but we are literally involved with transmission and generation. So to me, that's pretty unique that we're able to experience all aspects of the company. And being on call, I think, is unique because, you know, we have to end up sometimes sacrificing personal time or missing out on events. I might not be able to do something tonight, but at the same time, I'm keeping someone's power on, or I'm restoring someone's power. So that's very unique to me. I contribute directly to the reliability of the company, whether that might be updating our work practices within our department so that we're able to work safer. We're able to implement different type of technology to help increase the reliability, decrease the amount of outages, however that might be. And lately, since what I've been doing is revising the way we do our testing in our department. So coming up with new ideas, putting stuff into play, obviously leads to a more reliable grid, and I'm directly involved in that respect. Any degree you get is going to be hard work. You know, a lot of work, a lot of sleepless nights, a lot of sacrifices, but at the end of the day, it's all worth it. Within my department, like I said, I've been given the opportunity. Any type of training I might want to what I do, I've been given. So the end goal is always there, that you know you'll be certified, you'll be qualified to carry out whatever you do. But there will be sacrifices like the on-call, the late hours here and there, but at the end of the day, it's all worth it. You'll be able to know you're directly involved with keeping a reliable power company going. And to me, that is a big outcome, you know. Within CUC, in my younger days, I did the Meals on Wheel program. That's when I was working in the planning department. So we would spend about an hour each day delivering food. That was on Fridays, actually. And the route I did was more in the town area up to the West Bay side. So I did that for quite a while. And then once I finished college and now my current department, the hours don't really give me that ability. But outside of work, I try to volunteer as much as I can, whether it's at the church programs or with whatever my daughter's doing. So horse riding, dance, I volunteer my time for whatever she's doing in that respect.